Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to see various numerical operations that could be performed on the list of integers using Java 8 Stream API. So let's get started. So let's see the first operations that we can perform. So first we are going to perform the summing operations. That means we are going to find out the sum of the elements available in this list. So first we will create a local variable called sum. We'll write the code and then we will understand the entire code. So now we'll try to understand each line of the code. In this line, what we are doing, numbers.stream. So it will basically convert this list of integers into int stream. So we'll get int stream, right? And then this function collects. So this is the terminal operations that is used to collect the entire data sets, or we can say the entire resultant data set. Inside this collect functions, we are calling collectors.summingInt. So collectors is a class in which there are many functions available to perform different operations. Here we are calling summingInt. In this summingInt functions, we are calling integers dot int value. So basically this is a method reference used to call the functions. So int value is a functions available in this class integers. This will, what it will do, it will take the value from the int stream and it will give us, or it will provide into this function summing int, and it will take each element and finally it will collect, and then we will get the result as a sum. Right now we will print the same, and we'll run the program and we'll see the result. So we can, as you can see, we got the sum as 32. So if you add the entire elements, you will get it as 32. Fine. So hope you understand the entire code. Now let's move forward and see another operations. So here we'll find the average from the list of integers. So we'll create one variable called average, and we will call the same stream functions and then same collect. As I told, collector is a utility class which is having many functions available to use for different purposes. So as for the summing purpose, we have used summing int. Here we will use averaging double. Okay, so as you can see, the suggestions already came. Now here also we have to get all the elements from the stream of integers and pass it to get the average. So we have integers, that means we have a stream of integers. From here we have to get the double value and it will perform the averaging operations. Now we will print and we'll see the output. Average. Now as you can see, the average of the elements, entire elements available in the list we got, and it is 5.33, right? So hope you understand. Let's move forward and we'll see other operation. The next operation that we are going to perform is to find the smallest element or smallest number. So we'll take one variable called smallest number, and first we'll convert the list of integer into int stream by calling the stream function, and then we'll call the min functions available to get the minimum elements available in the list of integer elements. Okay, here when we are calling min functions, we have to pass the comparator, or we will take the help of utility class comparator, which is having a functions called comparing. So comparing, sorry, comparator dot comparing. So this particular functions will compare each incoming elements from the stream of integers, and finally it will give us the optional class as a result, which will be having the optional of integers, and will call on that particular resultant data set this function get the available result set. So we'll print it and we'll check the smallest number. We'll run the program and we'll see the output. As you can see, the smallest number is 1. We can confirm from the list of integer. Here as you can see, 1 is the smallest among the entire list of elements, right? Now we are going to perform another numerical operation, and that is finding the largest number. Find the largest number. We'll take one variable called max number, and we'll convert the list of integer into int stream by calling the stream functions, and we'll call the max functions here, and the same way we'll use the comparator class and we'll call the comparing functions, and we'll pass the incoming number one by one from the int stream, by which it will compare and it will store as optional integer object, and we'll call the get functions on that to get the result, and finally we will print this max result. So we'll call largest number max number. Let's run and see the output. Yeah, we got the largest number as 10. We can verify in this list we have 10 as the largest number available. Now we will move further and we'll see the next numerical operation that will perform on the list of integers. So till now we have performed some operations: average, finding the smallest number, finding the largest number. Now we will find the second highest number, second largest number available in the list of integer. For this we will take one variable called second large, And first we will convert the list of integers into int stream by calling stream function. Then here what we'll do, we will try to sort the elements that is available in the list. So we will call the sorted function. Inside sorted functions, we'll use the comparator to reverse the order of elements. Why we are doing? Because normally it will sort in ascending order, but here we are trying to get it in descending order so that we can find the second elements very easily by skipping the first elements after the sorting operations. So what we are going to do, once we call the sorted and we got the elements in reverse sorting order, we will skip the first by calling the skip functions, and will provide the number which elements we are going to skip. So first element we are going to skip. Then we have functions called find first. We can call the find first functions, and then we'll call the get functions, right? So we're done. We'll print the same output by calling it second largest, and we'll run the program and see the output. So as you can see, we got second largest number as 8, and we can see from the list of integer elements 8 is the second largest number. Now we'll move forward and we'll perform one more operations. Here the requirement is find the average by excluding mean and max number. That means we have to find the average from the list of elements, but the condition is we have to exclude the minimum and maximum number. We have already seen how to find the minimum and max number. So here max is 10, min is 1. So we have to exclude both this number, and we have to find the average by taking the remaining elements. Okay, so let's do it. So first we will count the all the elements after excluding min and max that is available in the list. That means we have, there may be n number of elements available in the list. So first we have to count the total number available in the list by excluding the mean and max. That means by excluding two numbers, right? So how we'll get the counts? First let's call, we'll create one variable called int count, long count, and then we will do the similar. We'll convert the list of elements into a stream, int stream, and then we'll apply filter. And here when we are applying filter, so we will get, we will write the predicate basically. So this is nothing but a temporary variable inside filter. So we have to write one conditions here. If number not equal to, what we have done, mean smallest number, okay, not equal to smallest number, and number not equal to max number, then count. Now since we got the count, Now we have to perform, or we can say we have to perform the average operations by excluding mean and max number, right? And same we have to store in a variable. We'll create one variable. We'll write it as average by excluding mean max, right? Here same we will convert the list of integer into int stream. We will call the filter functions means same we will copy from here and we'll pass it inside this filter functions, and then we'll call the collect function and collectors dot summing double divided by total count. Hope you understand this line of code. Here in this filtered line, what we are saying, number not equal to smallest number and number not equal to max number. That means list of elements will get filtered in which smallest number and max number will not be present. After that, we are doing sum operation with the remaining elements available in the list, right? And we are doing division by with the count that we got. Now we will print and we'll check the output average by excluding mean max. We'll run and we'll check the output. Yes, as you can see, we got average by excluding mean and max, and the result is 5.25. So now let's average it manually and verify our result. So if we will remove 1 and 10 and then we will sum, then what will get 8 plus 6 14 plus 5 19 plus 2 21. 21 we will divide by 4. So if you divide 21 by 4, we'll get 5.25 as a result. So this is correct. So hope you understand the entire process. There are n number of numerical operations that we can perform. So we'll see the next numerical operations in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.